Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the JavaScript series. Here, last video we saw about the introduction of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to see the installation of the JavaScript. Okay. So first, what we need to do, we need to do two things. One, we need to download the Node.js and we need to install it, and then we should download the Visual Studio Code and we can install it. We can use other tools, like we can also use Eclipse, right, for using the JavaScript also. In this right video, in this tutorial, we are going to use Node Visual Studio Code. Okay. So for that, first what we need to do is we need to go to Google. Download Node.js, search Node.js in the Google, and next first click the first link, Node.js download. Okay, then we need to go to the pre-built installer and download this one, Node.js, and the latest version. We should do it. Okay, here 20.17.0, that is what is the latest version now. You should download that. Click the download button. After it's getting downloaded, I already installed in the machine. Okay, now what we should do is, after downloading, right, and installing, what we should do is we should go to the command prompt. Please follow the installation steps, right, and we should type node -v. So it will give the what version of Node.js you have installed in a machine. So it will give right version 20.11.1. So already installed, that's why I showed. Please download and install it. Then you go and put the command from, check whether it's installed or not, and check the version. You check node-v. Okay. After that, what you should do is you should go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. Okay, download. And click the first one, download Visual Studio Code. And you should select what operating system you have in your machine, Windows or Mac, right? You can select Windows. I'm using Windows now, and we need to select the, click the button, and it will start downloading in your machine. Okay, and then you should follow the installation step. Just follow the installation step. Hope you're all aware of, right, the installation step. After installing, let me open the Visual Studio Code. Just follow the installation step and open it. Okay, then you'll get this ID here. Okay, so this ID you should get it. Okay, next what you should do is you should set the environmental variables also, okay, of the Node.js path which we installed. Okay, and we should set that environment. You should go to the system properties in command prompt, and then you should go to the system variables. In path, you should take the Node.js path, okay, where the Node.js is kept in your machine. Like for example, C program files Node.js. You have, right. You should take this path and set in the system variables. Go to the downloads, right, and then you should have installed that, right, in the C program file should be there. Okay, that you should go and you should take that path and save it in the environmental variables. Okay, make sure you are doing that part. Okay, got it. So C program files, then you should go to the Node.js. You should give this path in the environmental variables. Okay, this you should set. These are all the prerequisites you should do before starting the Node.js series, right? It's not just learning. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. So continue to follow this series. We'll meet you in the next part of video. Have a nice day. Bye.